Alright, so we're here today. We're going to teach you about chickens. So we have two different types here. These are both hens, so females. The one on my left is a Rhode Island Red, very common chicken breed. And the one on my right is a brown Leghorn. And so these two hens lay two different types of eggs, or two different colors, and we know that by their earlobe. So on the brown Leghorn, you can see she has a really white earlobe there. So that's going to indicate she lays white eggs. On the Rhode Island Red, she has a red earlobe, or kind of brownish, and it tells that she's going to lay brown eggs. So we're going to go collect eggs. Collected eggs, and you can tell that we have quite a bit of different colors in the eggs here. So then we have some white, that one's off brown, and we have a green one here as well. You can see some lighter shades of brown and some blue in here. So inside, the eggs are all the same. The only thing that's different is the pigment that they put in the eggs. So some different breeds of chickens will lay different colored eggs, like we talked about earlier.